Today is a nice sunny day. Let me directly go and feed these birds. I think they deserve some watermelon on a day like this. My goodness me, look at the size of this fish, re baba. Wood. And there one tortoise is there. See the tortoise? My goodness me. Hello. Are down more baba. Down time more baba. Oh my gosh, tortoise. Kitu words are like So yeah, thank you. I'll keep the do you think. They get the watermelon. The watermelon I have to remove. And my camera put in my mouth somehow. No, it's not going to work. Okay, so I have to put off the camera or it's going to fall down. Or I have to hang it up on the tree somewhere. If it works, it will not work, it will fall down. It's not working. Okay, anyway, afterwards I'll show you there. Those two fellows are inside, they're looking at me.